welcome to the video. It was ages for me to find another auto. Oh yeah, so let's get started.
What else is there? Stickers. And then what do? Oh, you pull that bit off too? Oh. Yeah, keep pulling.
So the message is what's that say?
Don't know. Just carry on.
Okay.
Yep. Keep going, mate.
Whoa.
Whoops, oops. That's a problem with it being round, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah.
Alright, carry on.
Wait, what? Okay.
Gosh, there's a lot of wrapping.
Yeah.
Oh. Do you take all that blue stuff off first?
Nope. Okay, let's get the scissors.
Is it cut?
Yeah.
Not really. Do you need a hand cutting that?
Nope.
Maybe
Maybe I do.
Maybe you do it.
Yeah.
Right, you carry on unwrapping that.
No. Just need to wait.
Okay. What is that?
Well,
I
it's
think-
like a little cup.
I think I know who it is.
Okay, what's your prediction?
I'm not gonna tell you until we get it.
Okay.
Put the rubber.
Is that a cup?
Let's do. Put the. Yeah. It's
Alright, carry on opening, darling.
Yeah.
It's taking too long. Let's carry on.
Do you need a hand to open?
Wait, where's the sticker sheet?
There.
Is this it?
Keep
No,
going.
the sticker sheet.
Just keep going, mate.
I don't know where the sticker
It's
sheet
probably
is.
inside.
No, it's not wrapped like this. Something's wrong.
Well, just open the wrapping. You'll probably find it.
Okay. Maybe I'll find it in here instead of clothes.
There it is.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, careful. Oh,
There.
there. Fantastic.
There
Right,
it is.
now keep going. Get all that wrapping off.
Yep, I am. Gonna get all the wrapping off.
Goodness me.
Can't believe it's from the Glitterati, and I think I know who it is.
Okay.
Where's the zip? Oh, here it is.
Keep going. Gosh, it's not easy, is it?
Which zip do I have to pull?
Well, you look at the picture. Doesn't it show you the zip? There it is.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, it's a golden ball.
Keep going. There's more wrapping.
Where is it? Where is it?
See the zipper picture?
Mm.
Hey, there. Oh.
Ugh.
Oh. 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 Undo that zip.
Okay, drawing,
No help.
drawing,
You got it.
drawing, drawing, drawing. Can't believe the first time I'm opening one, it's from a Glitterati.
Gosh, there's a lot of wrapping.
I know, lots of unwrapping. Wrap, wrap, wrap.
It's all wrapped.
Bleh.
Oh, look at that wrapping. Oh.
Oh. There's a lot of wrapping.
What's that thing?
I think it's the shoes. Don't cut the shoes.
Well, you be careful with the big scissors like that.
Yep, just gonna cut off the corner. Gonna cut off the corner.
No, I think maybe Mummy can cut it before she hurts herself.
I'm not gonna hurt me.
Well, I don't know. The big
Hey,
scissors.
can you open that? It's a bit hard to open. I think I know who it is.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. Keep going. Let's keep going.
Pink shoes. Where's the other one? Here it is.
All right. So there's 2 shoes and a drink bottle.
Yeah, they
So,
look
all
like
right.
the little high heels.
Keep going on the ball.
Yeah, I'll keep
You've got
going.
more wrapping to pull off.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do indeed. Ugh. Oh man.
Oh man.
You don't need to copy me.
So what happens now? How do you get into it?
Where's the bag gone? Oh, where's the dress? This is very unwell packaged.
Unwell packaged? I don't think that's a word. Oh,
So, there
hey!
it is.
The lid just popped off.
I was wondering where that was.
Man, there's stuff everywhere.
Where's the
Nooks and crannies.
scissors gone? Oh, here they are. Why did you put them there?
Does Mummy need to help you with that one?
Nope.
No.
No, okay, she does.
Okay.
Don't cut the dress, please.
I think she's got to be careful, don't you worry.
Oh, wrapping.
Now, what else is in here? What else is in this thing?
I have no idea.
So how do you open it?
Oh,
Oh, pretty.
here's something that was inside it.
So let's have a look. You got pretty dress and shoes and a bottle. Okay.
I know who this is. I definitely know who
How
it
do you
is.
get that open?
Oh,
Bleh.
oh.
Gosh, there's a lot of...
It's beautiful.
A lot of plastic.
Beautiful.
A lot of plastic bags.
Here's the. Okay, here's the thingy. You know what this is.
So what happens to the dome now? Do you?
Why are you
is it
opening it?
useful for anything?
I'm helping you.
Ow, great. Ooh, accessory. I definitely. It's glitter queen. Ah, her head popped off.
Is that the one that? Do you know this one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I need to get her head on there.
Does she change
Hold
colour?
it to
Yep,
the camera.
I think she does.
Okay, pop her in the water then.
Wait, what's her six? Oh, her bow. Whoa, I need to get. Okay, first let's get everything on her. Okay, here's her bow.
A bow on her head.
Yeah.
All right, and the dress.
Okay, let's put yeah, the dress on. This is so glittery. I don't want to put her in the water with all this glitter on. It's gonna fall off.
Maybe it will.
Oh,
All right, so are we done?
No, not yet.
Oh gosh, come on.
Can you put this on?
Well, I'm videoing, so I can't. So maybe we stop the video now.
Nope.
Oh.
Hey, how to get this on?
Okay, so the dress goes on, and what else have you got?
Can you please just do it? I'll hold the camera for you.
Oh, turn it round. Get your hand out. Turn it round the other way,
There's
mate.
nobody here.
Well, turn it round. Face the other way.
Me. Hello, me. Hello, me. The bow fell off. Put that back on. Put it over her arm.
There she is.
Thank you.
Right, I'll have the
Okay.
camera.
Yes, you can have the camera back. Now let's put her
Okay,
down.
can you hold her up to the camera?
Nope, not finished.
It's
Dressing
8
her.
minutes of video, and that's far too long for an opening up video.
Don't say anything.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna hurry.
We finished yet?
Nope.
Right, hold it to the camera so we can see what it looks like.
I need to put her shoes on.
Faster.
Faster, faster.
You got it on yet?
No!
What are you doing mucking around?
There.
Right.
Okay,
Hold her up to the camera. And what's her name? Hold it up.
I think it's Glitter Queen.
Hold it up so we can all
Glitter
see.
Queen.
Isn't she pretty? Wow, sparkly.
Wait, now I need to see what she does. Okay, let's just...
Okay, I'm going to turn it off now.
No!
Man, it's 9 minutes.
No!
Well, hurry up.
Yes, I'm gonna hurry
What do you mean? Why did you put ice in there? Why is there ice in the water? Oh, gosh. Now what are you doing? I don't know why you're doing that. No, hang on. I think you've got to fill it up with water.
Yeah, I'm trying to feed her.
No, I don't think
Okay, what does she do?
I think you've got to put water in here, don't you?
What does she do? Okay, maybe take her bow off.
I think maybe we stop the video and
No!
we need to read the instructions.
Hello!
Oh, mate, what are you doing?
Feeding her.
Okay.
Okay, now she's gonna. What is she gonna do? I
They-
think she's
you-
gonna spit.
You're going to pull her head off?
No! Let's just say she spits.
Okay.
Wait.
I think we need to read it so we can see what's
Where's-
going on. All right.
No!
So, finished.
No, we're not finished. Okay.
Why not? Darling, this is going for 10.5 minutes. It's ridiculous.
Wait! Okay, now let me open this. What does he do? This, I think she's...
Right, I've got to get
Wait,
the dinner ready.
wait. Bow's... Let's say she's colour changing. Look, her bow changes colour.
Oh, that's cool. I'm glad we
And
went,
I
I'm
think-
glad we saw that. That's quite cool, actually.
Yeah, now let's put her sticker on here.
Oh yeah.
Here's the sheep.
There you go. Look at that. That is quite cool. All right.
My first
Signing
one.
off now.
Yep.
Say
See ya.
See ya. Bye. Look at the camera and wave.
Bye.
You're looking at the camera.
Bye.